There's a noticeable difference between cookware that simply looks good online and cookware that actually makes everyday cooking easier, cleaner, and more enjoyable to live with. And this Amazon Basics ceramic nonstick frying pan set quietly falls into that second category. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, the channel where we focus on practical products that genuinely improve daily life without unnecessary hype. Today, we're looking at the Amazon Basics ceramic nonstick cookware 3-piece frying pan set in ivory. It includes 3 useful pan sizes, works on all cooktops, including induction, and combines a modern ceramic nonstick surface with a clean, minimal design that feels surprisingly premium for the category. If you cook regularly, whether that means quick weekday breakfasts, healthier low-oil meals, or simple family dinners, this is the kind of cookware set that can make a real difference in both convenience and consistency. And if you want to check current pricing or availability, the purchase link is waiting in the description below. Reason 1. Everyday usability that genuinely simplifies cooking. One of the biggest strengths of this set is how approachable it feels from the very first use. The ceramic nonstick coating allows food to release smoothly with minimal effort, which means eggs, pancakes, vegetables, and delicate foods cook with far less sticking compared to traditional surfaces. Cleanup is equally simple, saving time after meals and reducing the frustration that often comes with lower-quality cookware. Reason 2. 3 practical sizes that actually cover daily cooking needs. Instead of including unnecessary extras, this set focuses on the pan sizes most people use every day. You get a compact 7.9-inch pan for eggs and smaller portions, a versatile 10.2-inch pan for balanced, everyday cooking, and a larger 11.8-inch pan for family meals or batch cooking. The sizing feels thoughtful, and it helps this set fit naturally into almost any kitchen setup. Reason 3. Compatible with every major cooktop, including induction. Cookware flexibility matters more than people realize, especially if you move homes or upgrade appliances later. This set works across gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops, making it a future-friendly option for long-term ownership. It's also oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which adds useful versatility for finishing dishes or keeping meals warm. Reason 4. Comfortable handling and confident control. The stainless steel riveted handles provide a stable, secure grip while cooking. They feel balanced in the hand, and the Stay Cool design improves comfort during longer cooking sessions. Small details like handle stability often separate cookware that feels disposable from cookware that feels dependable over time. Reason 5. A cleaner, more modern kitchen aesthetic. The ivory finish gives this cookware a softer, more refined appearance than standard dark nonstick pans. It blends especially well in modern kitchens and creates a more elevated visual feel without becoming overly flashy. For many buyers, cookware stays visible on the stovetop regularly, so appearance absolutely matters as part of the ownership experience. Reason 6. Practical value backed by strong user confidence. For the price category, this set offers a balanced combination of functionality, design, induction compatibility, dishwasher-safe convenience, and ceramic nonstick performance. It also contains 73% RCS certified recycled post-consumer aluminum, which adds an environmentally responsible element that some buyers will appreciate. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this set has earned attention largely because it focuses on the features people actually use every day. In the end, this cookware set is not trying to compete with ultra-premium professional cookware costing several times more. And that's actually part of its appeal. It focuses on reliability, simplicity, ease of use, and practical everyday performance. Like most ceramic nonstick cookware, careful use and gentler utensils will help preserve the coating longer, especially over the years of regular cooking. For home cooks looking for an affordable, attractive, induction-compatible frying pan set that feels modern and genuinely convenient to use, this Amazon Basics set stands out as a very balanced option. It's especially well-suited for apartments, first kitchens, busy households, or anyone wanting cleaner cooking with easier maintenance. If you've been searching for cookware that feels dependable without overcomplicating the experience, this may be one of the smarter, everyday upgrades to consider. Take a closer look through the link in the description, compare it with your current setup, and choose what feels right for the way you actually cook.